For most kids, bullying starts at school, and it's at school where Jeremy Rubenstein is trying to end it.
We're all about making sure that children will be able to change the world for the better.
10 years ago, Rubenstein created a program called Box Out Bullying, a 40-minute interactive classroom presentation that's part Broadway play, part game show, to educate kids on bullying in all its forms.
Students are learning by seeing, by listening, but most importantly by doing. So we have a full-on show with a script. It's much more than just skits.
According to the National Bullying Prevention Center, more than 1 out of every 5 students report being bullied. Diane Russo is an educational liaison who works with families on a variety of topics, including bullying.
It's definitely important early on, even before school, when children just even on the playground. I mean, bullying happens from all ages, not just middle school, high school, or whatever. It starts very early on.
While based in Jackson Heights, Box Out Bullying has branches across the country. They've partnered with other anti-bullying groups like Hats Not Hate to reach audiences, be it 6 or 16.
We will not bully others. If we see someone being bullied, we will try to help and show empathy. We will include students who are feeling left out. And if we know someone's being bullied, we will tell an adult at home and an adult at school.
Box Out Bullying team members travel in groups of 2 in a van you can easily spot, with a message that's spot on.
We never use the word bully because we don't like to give labels. Same thing, we don't like to use the word victim because, again, nobody likes being called a victim. So instead we want to focus on the action, the behavior, which can be changed.
From Red Hook, Brooklyn, Antoine Lewis, Fox 5 News.